Why beginners tend to be too excited when it comes to breakouts. Today we're about to dive in ekutheni si understand ukuthi why breakouts ebalulekile. Number 1, i-breakouts okokuqala ibukeka i-attractive to umuntu osaqala. You understand? Usuke ebona ukuthi nje yo, okay, this is an opportunity. You understand? Number 2, ama-prices akhona anokushesha indlela amuva ngayo and abukeka profitable. You understand? And number 3, most beginners imali zabo ziyaluzeka from ukuthi umuntu usuke ebona ukuthi okay la ngizokwazi ukwenza imali without knowledge, without understanding. So namhlanje ke this is exactly why we're about to dive in. But before size sifike lapho kufanele uqale uzibuze lo mbuzo ukuthi iyini i-breakouts. I-breakouts guys yenzeka mawukuthi kukhona i-break or noma kukhona i-level ephasekayo or ebreakekayo from kulama levels osuke ubukade wabekile. For instance ngizowenza example la, ake sithathe lo senze lama key levels lawa. Okay, sorry about that. Ake sibeke la kanje, asithi nje ukubeka la and then sibeke lo la. So from le example le ngibeka la, uyabona ukuthi market from here it was moving upwards and then yathi mayisifika la kwaba khona ukubhajwa okukhona okuncane, yabo, for nje couple of times, yabo, yathi ukuzinza la. Sorry about that. So usually lento yenzeka ekutheni njengoba la ithe ukuzinza yenza i-range, bayibiza lento i-consolidation. So the intention from the market was to actually go up iye phezulu, but kunale level le evimbayo ukuthi ingaqhubeki iye phezulu. So ya range from i-resistance towards i-support. So i-breakout happens mawukuthi le key level le no longer is able to sustain or resist ekutheni market libe ligijima ndawonye. It actually breaks njengoba ubona la from this example. So that is actually a breakout. A breakout, it's when there is a breakout from the level or the key level ebekade khona i-container khona. You understand? And lento isuke ichaza ukuthi there's a possible new momentum. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi sekunenye a level enye anticipator or noma evelayo, yabo, whether lento iyaphezulu or whether iyezansi, meaning ukuthi shuthi la ama buyers nama sellers abesa undecided, yabo, it's an indecision momentum le, yabo. So up until ke ama buyers abona ngeke sifuna ukuba overpower la ama sellers, then I breakout happens in that case. So what are the types of ama breakouts guys? Kunama breakouts awu2. Kukhona i-resistance breakouts, mase kuba khona ilo i-support breakouts. Uthi manje la example yalana it's for ilo i-resistance kuphela. I-resistance breaks above ilo, i-price isuke i-breaker above i-resistance. Ngifuna ukubheka manje ilo okay, naye senze example la nazoke. This is a good example. So njengoba ubonile ngale, i-price i-breaker above i-resistance and ama buyers iwona asuke strong from leya example kade nginayo. So ngamamazi i-market isike move upwards. Then i-support breakout, it's when i-price breaks below supports, which is njengoba ubona la ukuthi ifike yasuka la yadilika ehla la yazo create support, then yanyuka yaya phezulu kwaba resistance, then it breaks now from this supports going downwards, then that is actually what you call a support breakouts. And ama-sellers la asuke se-strong, so le yenza imarket ukuthi imove down, yabo, yenza ukuthi imarket iyenzani, imove down. Now ungabe uyazibuza ukuthi why amanye ama-breakouts engakwazi ukuthi enzeke, yabo, amanye afail. Number one, ama-loan ama-players which are the big boys, abantu abakwi-markets nje, like ama-banki, you know, those big companies and stuff like that, kahle kahle asuke enza ukuthi atraphe ama-retail traders. Ama-retail traders ikithina lapho, ya understand, ngapha thina sinamali singena ngo-$5 nango-$10 nango-$100, so enzela ukuthi atraphe thina, understand. Nanokuthi ke enza ukuthi ke neprice iba like ubone mekwenzeka i-spike noma i-reversal, uthi mhlambe let's say because mina ngenza ama fundamentals kakhulu, uthola ukuthi manje i-market iyashutha up, iyashutha down, but reverse the same time, you understand. Kahle kahle yonke leyo nto yenziwa yini, yenziwa ama-big players ngoba nake efuna ukuthi abantu baluze iy'mali zabo, you understand. And amaphutha ajwayele ukwenziwa amaphutha ajwayele ukwenziwa ama-beginners. Number one, ukuthi market ngalesikhathi isanda kubreak, sanda nje kubreak. Okay, let me here. Okay. The moment i-market isanda kubreak like here, wena usuyangena la here futhi nje, yabo nje la kule entry le, ngalesikhathi isanda nje kungena ukubreak, wena usuyangena. This is not good guys, because into engenzeka lana lento inga reverse njengoba ubona la, yabo ukuthi lana ithe ukunyuka yaphezulu, ithe ukunyuka yaphezulu, but ubona ukuthi ibuyele ngaphakathi. You need to have i-confirmation eqala, kumele ube ne-confirmation and futhi kumele ube patient, ungavele ungene nje kwi-market, yayizwa lona. And izinto okufanele uzi-understand ukuze ukwazi ukuyi-trader safely i-breakouts. Number one, uku-identifya i-clear supports and resistance. Support yakho ne-resistance kumele ibe clean, uyibone ukuthi okay. Number two, ukulinda ikhandlela licishe or livuleke, livaleke kahle ngokusemthethweni, ungabi lona iplant livuleke nje kahle, yabo, lingavele nje mfethu, yabo, yabo, yabo leli khandlela leli, yalbo, ukuthi livaleke ngaphandle lonke nali, yalbo, livaleke lonke ngaphandle, lavaleka nje lonke ngaphandle, yabo, completely, yabo. Then mase ulinda lento ekuthiwa i-retest, Jehova ingcwele, i-retest, nansi i-retest, yabo, nayi retest, yabo, livalile lathi retest, yabo. then usuyangena. You understand? Then usuyangena after lama confirmation ukubreakout la and then i-retest masuyangena ke qedile ke lapho qedile yabo. Ilona okunye kufanele uku-understand ukuthi uwahlukanisa kanjani i-breakouts eyi-fake ne-breakouts e-real. Number 1, kwi-fake kuba ne-long week. I-long week ifethi ilumcijile nangu ikwangcono wavela nangu umcijiji yambo, nangu umcijiji uyena lo. Fake breakouts ke leyo, and indlela evaleke ngakhona i-candle li-weak yabo. Kuba nama quick reversals yabo, kuba nama quick reversals, into enga-understandeki. Then mase kuthi kwi-real kuba ne-candle eli-closer ngendlela e-strong. Okwesibili ne-momentum yakhona is very high, indlela enyuka ngakhona or noma ehla ngakhona. I-retest yakhona ke bafethu i-clean ngale ndlela ongakazi uyibona. So it's very important ukuthi wazi ama-time frame owasebenzisayo also. U-H1, u-H4, u-day 1. Uwa-avoid lamancane o-M1 no-M5 as a begin. Wayeke mfethu, ngeke ngiyazi kusize ngalutho. And make sure ke guys ukuthi i-risk management, i-risk nje management uyayi-include yabo. Wenza ama-lot size a-small, ufake i-stop loss, u-avoid ama-breakouts ey'ndaba iyi-news. You understand? Then uzobe usu-right, you understand? So that's actually about it, about i-breakouts yethu. Make sure you like and comment on this video for more content and sessions of such videos.